Are pea sprouts healthy? When you grow your own pea sprouts from organic peas from Fresh Sprouts, you give your body lots of natural, plant-based nutrients. In terms of vitamins, pea sprouts are rich in vitamin A, C, and K. You also get a good amount of iron and calcium. Pea sprouts give you the antioxidants lutein, quercetin, and beta-carotene. Like all legume sprouts, peas are rich in plant protein but low in calories. And fresh pea sprouts give you plenty of plant fiber, both in the pea itself and in the transparent seed capsule. Overall, it makes your homegrown pea sprouts filling and delicious in your smoothie, salad, wrap, soup, or green snack. You can grow your own crispy pea sprouts, from dry pea to mature sprout in just 3 days. If you are ready to grow pea sprouts, you can find Sprouters plus organic peas in my Fresh Sprouts shop. There are links to the products and more in the description of the video. I wish you a happy sprouting.